Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I am making video about that person, the one who always think as well as say that English is too difficult. We can't learn English. The one who completed his study in Hindi medium. So I would like to tell you guys there is nothing as you are thinking. Anybody can learn this language, but you will have to put your effort every day. Today, I will tell you about my learning English journey, whatever I know so far. How did I get it? So, I didn't know about anything this language because I am also like you. Whatever I have right now, I every day practice and I do so far because English is an easiest things if we practice every day. But if you don't practice, it will be difficult. So if when someone asks to me that how did you improve your English? So I always tell you that you don't do anything. You don't think that I will unable to learn English because I don't have money, I don't have time. It is unnecessary thing. You will have to stop thinking. Anybody can learn this language. None of us is in this world that they will unable to learn this language. But many people in this world they don't want to practice. Therefore, today I thought I will make video about that person, the one who want to learn English, the one who want to get every kind of opportunity because we all of know that English is an international language. If you want to get a good job, if you want to make a new friend, if you want to travel to different country, so we must know this language because when you want to do job in international company, so where people will talk to you everything in English, and if you don't know anything in English, you will lose that opportunity. So if you want to become better, so you should practice every day. No need to practice a lot. If you practice little bit every day, one day it will be easy because I am also like you. When I was like uh, too younger, that time I used to think that we will unable to speak English. That time I used to fear. That time I used to sigh. Even when someone used to used to ask my name, even that person asked to me in English, but I give to I give to answer him in Hindi. So you can understand that what type of time I used to struggle. Sorry guys, here I some make mistake because just I am practice, and practice mean you can speak every kind of things. You don't think that I right now I am making mistake and someone will watch my video, they would laugh at me, they would like do wrong comment. It's okay, no need to worry about this type of problem. You should focus on your work, why you want to learn English, what you want to achieve. No need to prove in front of public that why I am doing it, what is my dream, you know, my friend.